Good afternoon, class. Today we're going to be discussing the differences between physical and chemical changes. So go ahead and pull out your foldable. You have 3 tabs: physical changes, chemical changes, and your experiment tab. So under physical changes, you're going to be taking notes on the definition and examples, and the same for chemical changes while I go over my notes. And afterwards, you're going to go ahead and use the experiment tab, fill out some notes while you conduct your experiment, and then answer the prompt on the exit ticket. Go ahead and cut that out and turn it into the box before you leave class today. So, what is the difference between chemical and physical changes? Physical changes is what happens when a substance changes form, but it doesn't change into a new substance. During a physical change, the shape or form may change, but the substance and molecular structure remains unchanged. So some variables that could occur, such as pressure, temperature changes, and the transfer of energy, this could result in a physical change. Many physical changes can be undone, and any change that alters the form or the appearance of the substance but does not change the substance into another substance is a physical change. So some examples of this are the tearing of a piece of paper, boiling water, breaking a glass, chopping wood, and mixing red and green marbles. So I will demonstrate the first example, the tearing of a piece of paper. So this is a physical change. Although the form has changed, it's still a piece of paper. And moving on to the chemical changes. A chemical change is a change in matter that produces one or more new substances. During a chemical change, changes take place at a molecular level, resulting in a new substance. Chemical change involves making or breaking of bonds in atoms, between atoms. Chemical changes cannot be undone. There are 2 variables during a chemical change: the reactant and the product. The reactant is what is being changed. It undergoes the change during this process, and the product is the new substance that is formed because of this change. So some examples of a chemical change are the burning of a piece of paper, cooking an egg, baking a cake, grilling a hamburger, and an explosion of fireworks. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate the burning of a piece of paper. I have a bowl of water here, just in case I need it. So the combustion of this piece of paper as it burns, it's forming smoke and ash. So now here you can see where it's blackened, it's turned to solid ash. So the chemical reaction has created a new substance. So in the next video, I'm going to be demonstrating some other ways that you can see physical and chemical changes in your everyday life. So go ahead and click the link below and watch that video. Thanks, guys.